How's it going, traders? ODK here. Taking a look at the markets. Go ahead and break them apart. It's pre-market on October 23rd. We have about another 37 minutes before the markets open. So in case you guys didn't know what you were gonna trade, I'll go ahead and let you know what I'm trading. Go ahead and get my S&P 500. So basically, while I'm doing that, I'll let you know that where are they? Basically, the Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke is making some bullish comments about the markets that should keep the financials up. Not only that, but Microsoft went ahead and blew away on their earnings report for the third quarter, giving us this nice pop right here on the S&P 500. And I don't know if you saw back when I was on the Nasdaq how Microsoft and Big Mr. Softy lifted up the markets. No, I'm not a fan of Microsoft as an operating system. I use it because it's everywhere. You really don't have a choice. But anyway, this is on the back of Microsoft. We could go ahead and type in their ticker, um, MSFT, and look at their pre-market or their pre-market data showing sentence equities, blah blah. Okay, okay. Yeah, this big spike right here. That all happened on the back of their earnings. That's going to be pretty bullish for tech. You want to see it highlighted. The market closed for Microsoft right here. All throughout the night, they report earnings and boom, way up there. I took that boom from D7. Shouts out to Matador and D7 from freetradingvideos.com. If you'd like to go ahead and get more in-depth information, try out FTV, freetradingvideos.com. I'm on there also making posts in the forums. You can check me out. Go by the name OD39R33ZK. Yeah, shouts out to FTV. But anyway, back to the video. Going down, back take apart the S&P 500 to let you know a trading range. The reason I keep an eye on the E-mini futures of the S&P 500 is because you know everything as far as I don't know. Maybe I'll give some videos as far as what beta is and whatnot for any beginning traders, any noobs out there. I'm still a noob myself to be honest, but you know stocks trade around their beta. Beta represents how volatile they are as compared to the S&P 500. So if you know where the S&P 500s are, then you know how your own equities that you trade in your own portfolios will trade. Now, as far as what we should be doing in the next, by the open, I could see us up here in this level. I'll put another trend line right there around the 10. That's the 1100 mark. We may open anywhere. Yeah, we will be higher than. Basically, what I'm saying is we will be higher than where we are now, in between this range right here. I'll have that a little drawn in a little better by the time we get to like half day. I'll probably make a midday video. But yeah, we're looking pretty bullish. You go ahead and look at the hourly and how we're standing there. This is about to be a major bullish tick. Usually when we cross the blue line over the yellow, we start getting pops, especially over this zero mark. We could see a nice big, green candle like that. I'm looking for, can we get some more data? Um, yeah, we should just be steadily rising. Let's get some confirmation from the dollar to see what the dollar's doing. The dollar just broke out over some major resistance. That's not good. With strength being in the dollar, unless it fell at this 100 candle EMA or this 200, the purple one right there, that could be pretty bearish for the markets. Unless ever since the crash of September 22nd, all the way to the March 9th bottom and beyond, all the way to where we are now, everything in the markets have been fabricated. If you thought it was a conspiracy theory, it has been. Basically what we've done is we've sold our currency to China, and we've sold our debt and currency. They run hand in hand. So that's another video. But so basically, the U.S. owes a lot of money. Our debt went down because supply is out there. Supply and demand relationship. I don't know any financial majors. I'm not one of them, but I tend to play with the equity. Um, but anyway, more on that later. Maybe I'll get a better video, a little more intuition in that. But markets are fabricated. The only way this rising dollar could be good for the markets is if whatever Ben is saying right now is to the point to where it stimulates a real recovery. It's not on the back of debt, but actual growth. Um, the growth in joblessness, growth in just a lot of other stuff that needs to happen as far as our GDP is concerned. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it there. ODK out. ODK out. Trade well. Trade smart. Trade on.